Book of Heaven, Volume 11, November 4th, 1914. The Satisfaction of Jesus because of the Hours of the Passion. I was doing the Hours of the Passion, and Jesus, all pleased, told me,
"My daughter, if you knew what great satisfaction I feel in seeing you repeating these hours of my passion, always repeating them over and over again, you would be happy. It is true that my saints have meditated on my passion and have comprehended how much I suffered, melting in tears of compassion, so much so as to feel consumed for love of my pains, but not in such a continuous way and repeated many times in this order. Therefore I can say that you are the first one to give me this pleasure, so great and special, as you keep fragmenting within you, hour by hour, my life and what I suffered. And I feel so drawn that hour by hour I give you this food, and I eat the same food with you, doing what you do together with you. Know, however, that I will reward you abundantly with new light and new graces. And even after your death, each time souls on earth will do these hours of my passion, in heaven I will clothe you with ever new light and glory.